Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can join this Let's AI Decide What Next trend on TikTok. So for that you need CapCut. It's a Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do this Let's AI Decide What Next filter on TikTok. So if you're looking for the filter here in TikTok, you will not get the filter because this is a third-party app called CapCut. So go to App Store or Play Store and download this app. And once you have this app, what you can do, you need the template. So just visit my profile. Okay, in my profile, you will see a playlist CapCut template. Just go there. Okay, and go to this video, first one, and on the bottom left corner of the video you will see CapCut. Try this template. You just have to tap there. Okay, now tap on use template in CapCut. Okay, this is the template in CapCut. Tap on use template. You need to browse the picture from your camera roll. Okay, let me go with this one. Hit next. Okay, and that's it. I don't know who is this. Okay, now you can tap on export and you can share it to your TikTok. Okay, so that's it guys. Likewise, you can join this CapCut trend. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.